In the previous video, we turned an Excel spreadsheet into a web application. Now, let's give users the ability to download the data as a CSV file. The best part is that we only need to add 2 lines of code. Let's head back to Visual Studio Code. Inside the data table, right below the page_size parameter, we're going to add 2 new lines. The export_format parameter enables CSV export for the table. The export_headers parameter tells Dash to use the column names displayed in the table as the CSV headers. That's it. With just 2 additional lines of code, users can download the table data as a CSV file. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Then return to the browser. Since we're running the application with debug equals true, Dash automatically detects the changes and refreshes the page. You'll now see an export button in the table toolbar. Click it, and the data is instantly downloaded as a CSV file. To verify the contents, open the downloaded file with Notepad. You'll see that the data is stored as plain text, with values separated by commas, which is exactly what a CSV file is.